Bad smell from the air conditioner. Let's understand the reason of the bad smell. I got a little hotter, so I turned on the air conditioner for the first time in a while, and I could smell something smelly in the air. Put it another way, it is much likely laundry that has been hung out to dry in a room. Odor is caused by mold and bacteria from inside your air conditioner. Clean the filter inside of the air conditioner that the smell won't be a problem. But for now, I want to cool down my room and get the smell out. In such cases, the cooling temperature of the air conditioner set to 16 degrees Celsius and let it run. If the temperature cannot be lowered to 16 degrees Celsius, run the air conditioner at the lowest temperature that can be lowered, such as 70 degrees Celsius. Then open all the windows. Let the air conditioner run for 1 hour in this condition. There are two possible reasons why this method reduces odor. 1. Lowering the temperature causes condensation from inside the air conditioner. The odor generating component is dissolved in the condensation and discharged outside with the water. The second reason is that the odor components emitting from the air conditioner are released through the windows and out of the room. There are two possible reasons for this. However, a stopgap measure, so there is a chance that the smell may occur after a week of use. So clean your air conditioner will be necessary.